To enable and use glide typing in Google Pixel, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to enter system options right here, and then we can go down to the keyboard. Click on keyboard apps and then Gboard. Now find glide typing and make sure that it's active. You can also enable or disable those three options below, but I would recommend to turn them on. After you first time try it, you can go back and adjust those settings however you like. So now open your keyboard. Now when you want to write a word, first you will need to click and hold onto the letter that you want to start a word with, and then do not hold it for too long, otherwise it will open suggestions menu that allows you to pick different letters hidden behind that specified letter. So we're gonna click and hold it and then instantly start moving to the next letters that will form this word. In this case we're gonna go for dog, so it should look like this. And that way we just written a word dog. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.